Yeah.
We have arrived, bitches. Yes, we are approaching our third birthday. Coincidentally, it's happening on the 1st of May, which is Labor Day here in Germany. And this is a metaphor of what we have been doing here over the last couple of years. We have been working a lot. We started with just 2 people in a small co-working space. Now we are a team of 50 working on everything from structures development to electronics to programming. And this all resulted in our first satellite, which is being assembled here behind me in the laboratory. It's for a commercial customer. A remarkable little satellite, 120 kg of mass, and it's based on our core avionics, which is also completely developed here in-house, very powerful and unmatched on the market in terms of versatility. But there were more achievements along the way. We have won a lot of different study and research projects. We have led the NewSpace study for the European Commission in preparation of IRIS². This ultimately resulted in the foundation of Junior Enterprise, a company where we are a shareholder in. But there is more to come in the near-term and long-term future. This year we will announce more commercial contracts, more customers, and we will also commission our first microfactory, which will allow us to scale our production capabilities. So stay tuned to see where we will be at in 3 years from now on Labor Day in 2027. Thanks.